Okay, I say let me quickly address this issue now that it is still very hot and now that it is still very early. Okay, so the news reaching me yesterday from the videos I watched, that's what I want to actually come and pour it right here in this video, pour my mind. You understand? Yesterday, Hamster Kombat said everybody should link their or connect their wallets, and people were busy connecting their wallets. That's yesterday. Then later on yesterday, we now saw another thing. And what was that thing? Coming soon. Connect your Ton wallet. So don't just worry if you haven't connected your wallet. Don't worry. You understand? You can see right here it says connect your Ton wallet coming soon. So if you haven't connected your wallet, you don't have any problem. It's not like you have any problem. But this is where the problem lies, or this is where the problem is. If you have already connected your wallet, leave it. Because I saw many people disconnecting their wallets due to maybe they have watched videos where they might have seen, Telegram easily can ban your account too, and you might not be able to withdraw again. You have already lost everything. I made a video one certain day telling you guys how I lost all my points and all my airdrops. That is why you have to, because for me, I still believe that Telegram wallet is still the best. So I believe you just have to create up to 2 or 3 Telegram accounts. Get 2 or 3 accounts on your phone. The one that you are going to be using for airdrop, make sure you are not going to use it to chat anybody or to also welcome or entertain any chat from anybody. So away from that, will I say the first batch now has been taken, and then they are going to review on it. I am just very sorry for the people that actually linked their, in fact, there was nothing like KYC on Hamster Combat. When this airdrop started, there was nothing like KYC. There was nothing like KYC verification. They didn't do anything of sort. So don't be surprised now. The people that submitted their wallets now, that might have been operating with 2 or 3 Hamster Combat accounts, accumulating points, those same people still, how will they tell you to connect your wallet and you carry all your whole 3 accounts, Hamster Combat account, and connect into one wallet? In fact, this time I guess they will use this opportunity to review on it, careful review on it, and then fish out those people that connected more than one account, more than one Hamster Combat account, and probably, put them aside. Probably put them aside. If you know you wanted to mine more than one, if you know you wanted to have more than one Hamster Combat account, why not do it with different phones? Because I don't know, it might still be a way they want to use to get those people. And except from that, I don't know if their system can dictate IP. So even if you were doing it, maybe you don't want to link it to one wallet. I don't know if their system has any facility to dictate more than one IP. Because if they dictate more than one IP on your phone, then I'm very sorry for you. Your own don't finish, because then go make sure say them no will give you anything. But all well, all the same, if you know you have linked it, just leave it. Don't touch it. leave it that way. Just leave it that way. So for those of you that haven't linked yet and you know you have more than one account, please, my honest advice, don't link more than one account to one wallet. Don't link more than one account to one wallet. If you know you are linking, just link one to one wallet. Don't link more than one. So right now it's still showing coming soon. So let's just wait till they open it again. And if you haven't linked yours, then you can proceed and do that. So if you have any questions, you can also drop it on the comment section. I'll try my best to answer you the best way I can. Okay, so I'll appreciate it a lot if you give this video a like. It is very, very important. Make sure you drop that like. I want to see it there. Make sure you are going to drop it. Then if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, and also join our social handles, WhatsApp and Telegram, via the links on the description section of this video. So make sure you do that for us, and have a great day and a lovely Sunday. Thank you, guys.